Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Conversation. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Jame. Today we're going to practice English conversations about going to a restaurant and ordering food.
Eating out can be fun, but sometimes ordering in English can be tricky.
Don't worry, we'll help you with simple and useful phrases for your next restaurant visit.
Let's get started. Part 1. Arriving and seating conversation. Hi, Jame. I'm really excited to go to the restaurant tonight.
Me too, Lisa. Do you like eating out?
Yes, I love it, but sometimes I get a little nervous ordering in English.
That's normal. Today we'll practice arriving and getting a table. It's easy once you know the words.
Sounds good. So what do we say first when we get to the restaurant?
Usually you talk to the host or hostess at the entrance. You can say, "Hello, do you have a table for two?"
Okay. Hello, do you have a table for two? What if the restaurant is busy?
Sometimes they might say, "Do you have a reservation?" That means, did you book a table before coming?
What if I don't have a reservation?
You can say, "No, I don't have a reservation. Is there a table available?"
Good to know. Let's try it. Hello, do you have a table for two?
"Hello, do you have a reservation?"
No, I don't have a reservation. Is there a table available?
"Let me check. Yes, we have a table ready. Please follow me."
Thank you very much.
When the host leads you to the table, you can say thank you or "This looks nice."
That's polite. Can I ask to sit somewhere special?
Yes. For example, "Can we sit by the window?" Or "Do you have a quiet table?"
What if I want to sit outside?
You can say, "Is there a table outside?" Or "Can we sit on the patio?"
Great. When we sit down, what should we do next?
Usually, the waiter brings the menu and asks if you want something to drink.
How do I say that?
The waiter might say, "Can I get you something to drink?" Or "Would you like to start with a drink?"
How do I answer?
You can say, "Yes, please, I'll have water." Or "No, thank you, I'll decide after looking at the menu."
Okay, let's try a practice conversation at the table.
"Good evening. Can I get you something to drink?"
Yes, please. I'll have a glass of water.
"And for you, sir?" "Thank you. Here are your menus. I'll come back soon to take your order."
Thank you.
When you don't understand something, it's okay to ask. You can say, "Can you please repeat that?" Or "Could you speak slowly?"
That's helpful. What if the restaurant is busy and there's a wait?
The host might say, "There's a 15-minute wait. Would you like to wait here or come back later?"
How do I respond?
You can say, "We'll wait here, thank you." Or "Can we come back in 15 minutes?"
Good to know. Any other tips?
Yes. Be polite and smile. Saying please and thank you is always good.
Learning tip for listeners. Try practicing these phrases when you go to a restaurant. Do you have a table for two? Do you have a reservation? Can we sit by the window? Can I get you something to drink? Can you speak slowly, please? Part 2. Ordering food conversation. Now that we're seated and have the menu, what do we say first when ordering food?
Good question, Lisa. When the waiter comes, you can start with, "I'm ready to order," or "Can I order now?"
Okay, and what if I don't understand the menu well?
You can ask the waiter, "Can you please explain this dish?" Or "What do you recommend?"
Great. Let's practice a conversation where I ask about the menu.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'm ready. Can you tell me about the special today?
Today's special is grilled salmon with rice and vegetables.
That sounds good. Is the salmon spicy?
No, it's mild and delicious.
Perfect. I'll have the grilled salmon, please.
I want to try the pasta with tomato sauce. Is it vegetarian?
Yes, the pasta is vegetarian.
Great, I'll have that.
What if I want to ask about allergies or ingredients?
You can ask, "Does this dish contain nuts?" Or "Is this gluten-free?"
Good. Also, can I ask for changes in the dish?
Yes, you can politely ask, "Can I have this without onions?" Or "Can I have extra sauce?"
Okay, that's helpful. How do I order drinks?
You can say, "I'd like a glass of water." Or "Can I have a soda, please?"
Would you like anything to drink? Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please.
"I'll have a lemonade, please."
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon. What if I want to order dessert after the meal?
You can say, "Can I see the dessert menu, please?" Or do you have any desserts?
And what if I want to ask for the check?
You can say, can I have the check, please? Or could we pay, please?
Thanks, Jame. I feel more confident ordering food now.
You're welcome, Lisa. Just remember to speak clearly and politely.
Learning tip for listeners. Practice these phrases for ordering food. Can you recommend a dish? Is this vegetarian? I'd like to order. Can I have a glass of water? Can I have the check, please? Part 3. Asking questions and paying conversation. Jame, after we finish eating, how do we ask for the bill?
Good question, Lisa. You can say, can we have the bill, please? Or could you bring the check?
Okay, and if the waiter doesn't understand, what else can I say?
You can say, we're ready to pay. Or could you please bring the receipt?
Great. What if I want to split the bill?
You can say, can we pay separately? Or can we split the bill?
That's useful. How do I pay? Can I use a credit card?
Yes, most restaurants accept credit cards, cash, and sometimes mobile payments.
What if I want to tip the waiter? How much should I give?
In many countries, it's common to tip about 15 to 20% of the total bill.
How do I say that politely?
You can say, keep the change, or just leave the tip on the table.
Sometimes I have questions about the food or service. How do I ask?
You can say, excuse me, can I ask a question? Or could you help me with something?
What if the food is not what I expected?
You can say politely, I'm sorry, but this is not what I ordered. Or could you please check my order?
And if I want to thank the waiter?
Just say, thank you very much for your help. Or the food was delicious, thank you.
What if I don't understand the waiter's English?
You can say, could you speak more slowly, please? Or can you repeat that?
That's helpful. What about when leaving the restaurant?
You can say, thank you, have a nice day. Or goodbye, see you next time.
Thanks, Jame. I feel ready for my next restaurant visit.
You're welcome, Lisa. With practice, it gets easier every time.
Learning tip for listeners. Try these phrases for paying and questions. Can we have the bill, please? Can we pay separately? Could you speak more slowly, please? Thank you very much. The food was delicious. That's the end of episode 3 of Daily English Conversation.
We hope this episode helps you feel confident ordering food in English.
Practice these phrases and enjoy your next restaurant visit.
See you next time for more useful conversations.
Thanks for listening.